A legend is born, introducing the Jaguar XJ. The epitome of British luxury and engineering excellence, the Jaguar XJ is more than just a car, it's a statement, a legacy, and a testament to the art of automobile manufacturing. The Jaguar XJ, a name synonymous with style, luxury, and performance. Every curve, every line, every detail has been meticulously crafted to offer an unparalleled driving experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know you're in the presence of something extraordinary. Since its debut in 1968, the XJ has been a statement on wheels. It has graced the driveways of the elite, been the choice of dignitaries, and has always stood as a symbol of prestige and sophistication. Over the decades, the XJ has evolved, embracing modernity while retaining its classic charm. A car for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're arriving at a high-end restaurant or simply taking a leisurely drive, the Jaguar XJ ensures you do so with unmatched elegance and grace. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the experience, and the impression you leave behind. It's a car that turns heads. Wherever it goes, it commands attention. People stop, they stare, and they admire. The Jaguar XJ is not just seen, it's felt. Its presence is undeniable, and its allure is irresistible. It whispers, "I've arrived," without shouting. The Jaguar XJ exudes a quiet confidence. It doesn't need to boast or brag. Its mere presence speaks volumes. It's a car that understands the power of subtlety and the impact of understated elegance. But don't let the refined exterior fool you. Underneath that sleek body lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. The Jaguar XJ is not just about luxury, it's about performance. With a powerful engine and advanced engineering, it offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and smooth. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it to its limits on a racetrack, the XJ delivers in spades. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. From the moment you step inside, you're enveloped in luxury. The seats, crafted from the finest materials, offer unparalleled comfort. The advanced technology ensures you're always connected, entertained, and in control. Every drive in the Jaguar XJ is a journey of discovery, a symphony of sensations, and a celebration of the art of driving. An experience that blends classic British craftsmanship with modern technology. The Jaguar XJ is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. Every detail, from the hand-stitched leather to the state-of-the-art infotainment system, has been designed to offer the best of both worlds. It's a car that respects its heritage while embracing the future. Fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen, and let's take a ride through the world of the Jaguar XJ. Discover the legacy, the luxury, and the performance that have made the XJ a legend in the automotive world. Whether you're a longtime admirer or a new enthusiast, the Jaguar XJ promises an experience like no other. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Welcome to the world of Jaguar XJ, where every journey is a masterpiece.